Start having 10 seconds.
When it comes to these events, I've seen Terry
on,
fall
Terry.
quite a few times. This
Lock
man
in now.
is an absolute machine.
You give me a nod, I'll count you in. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Terry. Come on. Yeah.
And he's off between, he needs to stand up.
Come on, Terry.
Go on, Terry.
That's it. Come on. Yes, Terry. Good use of the legs there. Come on, Terry.
Brilliant work here from Terry. Strong work. He's adopting all the right techniques. He's grabbing armfuls of rope and he's leaning all the way back.
And the rope, mate, rope.
Back up.
Come on, Terry.
This is where Terry's
Speed now, Terry. Put it hill. Come on. Keep moving. That's it. Keep that rope going fast. Come on, keep that rope. Get up this hill. Get up this hill. Come on. Come on. 2 more pulls. 2 more pulls. Come on. Come on. Yes.
He's just getting in the position that he feels comfortable in.
That's it, Terry.
And he's off.
Go on, Terry. That's it. That's it. Come on. That's it. There we go. Now start picking the pace. That's it.
That's it, Terry. Come on.
Quicker steps now, Terry. Come on.
That's it. Come on, Terry.
This is absolutely, he's basically sprinting with this truck. Making the
Go on, Terry.
pieces. Absolute brilliant work.
Ready, Terry? 3, 2, 1.
That's it. That's it. That's too fast.
Good start.
Come on.
Let's go, Terry.
Wait, top of that lid now.
Come on.
Oh,
Yeah,
Terry's
this
making
before.
it look
Let's smash
easy.
Let's go, Terry. Come on. Yes. That's it. Come on, Terry. Let's go.
Off we go, Terry.
Come on, Terry.
Work there from the other side.
Oh, let's go anytime.